Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, Makoti, are you the one? Aisha, I've not been watching, I had forgotten about it, but now I decided to catch up on the last 2 episodes. And I must start by saying, Bridget, Nothemba, for me, they're acting. They can't be a real couple. It's just impossible. It's impossible for Bridget Nothemba babe a real couple. Le relationship yabo kube into yamampela. Angazi angiyiboni. Angenzeli sense. Like no, like it's as if they are auditioning for their own reality TV, right? And this is why I'm saying that guys. There are things that as an individual, no matter how stupid are you would not want to like show them off a TV. You took this girl uyomenza umakoti uyompreparela futhi uthi angisho sekamlobolile for the 21 days ukuthi ajele ayenzeni because already lo seka umakoti vele walaphiyana. And then in the midst of production where now you are introducing your girlfriend, sisabhekiswe yilokho ukuthi introduce i-girlfriend yakho khona lapho umuntu okhoma ku 21 days when ubhizi ulala nabangani bakhe. Hayi guys, hayi angeke. Something is not right, something is not balancing, something is just not making sense for me. I don't know. And I think ukuthi if vele they are acting, it's good because umama ka lo right. Mama kaThemba uright, uphansi, you understand? Konke nje kuyayihambela, akuna ukuthi ubani yini, so uvela khuze lapho la khuza khona, but yo kore ke tletse psinya shem aile a ke tlhalohanye selo, a ke happy ka selo, a ke rate selo, kore nje ngi right guys, ngi right, angazi ukuthi ngayenza ne TV ngibakhiphi. Angazi ukuthi ngayenza ne TV ngibakhiphe, but their storyline I've heard it up to here like Kimo akusakhona selo. But okay, moving on, because those ones I think their storyline is scripted. I'm yet to be corrected, but it should be scripted. Asala ukuthi abafazi bayaxola, women will just forgive, basadi batshwarela, but this one is out of order. You cannot, a person that embarrasses you on national TV countless times like this, no. But moving on, there is Uphindi and Themba, right? I think ukuthi Uphindi has gone through a certain traumas that Ugo is still dealing with, ne? And I think ukuthi yes, they are in a relationship, but it's some of the things that they've not digested in the midst of their relationship. Why I'm saying that, Ugo asks other questions, ne? In the midst of an uncomfortable like place, like Ugai busy at cleaner. Guy is busy cleaning and doing what needs to be done, and then she would go and then ask Suguti, yeah, you didn't tell me you had a fiance, and that's a red flag. Guy, that's my ex, and then you are my current. Why? You called me, you reprimanded here, you told me I must start helping in the house. I told you I'm busy and this is your task, but still I come every day. You make your requests, but I show face. Then why are we now discussing my ex? She's not here, like literally she's my ex. And Ugo wants to know what is happening lapayana in diverting the conversation from guy being supportive to guy being with ongashatango ex wake, and that's that the whole thing is a red flag because he did not mention that girl is a fiance. Guys, we don't care. Like, if I didn't marry her, like, kusho khona ukuthi it's an ex. Why are we dwelling? I don't know, but I think ukuthi girl has underlying issues because she cries easily. Maybe there are things that they need to discuss in depth for her to move on, right? Then uThemba imbizeke ifemeli kaBophindi, which he went and they discussed indaba yokuthi uhleli laphana ugirl akalotsholwanga and things were not followed properly. They apologized, but they wanted answers. Unfortunately, it's answers that this guy cannot have. Within Zobane blended family. I'm like, how do people ask, are you guys going to have a blended family? Whether we stay with the kids or not, it's a blended family because at some point or another, we have to raise these kids together. So obviously, yes, we are going to be a blended family. it seems like between the two families it's a problem, ukulabona, and they keep on bringing the fact that Upindi is divorced. Yes, she's divorced, then what? Life goes on. Pindi decided to remarry or have another man that can be a potential husband. Why are we then still talking and discussing my divorce? Like, I don't get it. Why bang a movie on from the divorce part of things, right? And then kube uZizo, right? uZizo, no, Paula. For me personally, I like those two. Yo, Zizo and Paula, they give me such peace. I love their vibe. I love them together. I love Zizo nje. I love Zizo. Even when there is conflict, uyambona ukuthi like she wants to talk, but umuntu ozivalele and like umamazala wakhe ngathi understand ukuthi she's not necessarily a loud mouth, but at the same time she wants one to confront her kahle. Amtshela ukuthi this is where I stand, and they move on. But I like the fact that she's trying. Your girl is trying to meet this woman halfway. I understand and nomamazala wakhe. But I'm thinking ukuthi maybe I don't know. This is just me. Production has told these women, labo mama, ukuthi you must be as mean as you possibly can. Because wow, somewhere somehow nje ngibona the red flag zabo mamezala, red flag. But that's where they are. So they wanted to go out on vacation for their birthdays, and Umama was like, no, you guys are not going there. You guys, when you entered this competition, you knew ukuthi kwenzakalani or whatever. Are you the one is a competition or whatever, reality, whatever. You knew what was going to happen. You knew what was the expectation. So now you cannot want to be going up and down your vacation. I missed 21 days. So le 21 days since we tata. And then they asked, before they even agreed, they could see Guti, she's mad about them going on vacation, right? Upaula continued to ask Guti, no, we also want to ask about our visitation days. I'm like, Paula, 21 days is not that bad. I mean, surely you can survive in 21 days. But what is the problem now? What is the problem? Will she agree for them to go on vacation? We are yet to see. What I am livid about is Tamara situation. Koketo's mom is evil. That's my opinion. Koketo's mom is evil according to my opinion and according to what she's portraying on TV. Koketo's mom is raising an evil child that will not hold any relationship outside her family. So she might as well forget about being in a relationship and getting married because she is evil. She does not think of any other person but herself. And I think the story, Noguti, as a child, where do you get going to your mom and telling her that your brother was having a pornyakos and with her woman? Like, where do you enter? I think this child created that story to create conflict in the family because she hates Tamara that much. Because she was even shouting at Tamara, "You forcing me to be friends with your daughter." And I think Tamara, her mistake is wanting this whole thing to work so much and having a kumbaya moment with the family, of which they have shown her countless times, we are not where you are. I don't know why it's difficult for Tamara to accept the family is not where she is, and the family does not like her the way she wants them to like her. But that family is mean. Like, there's every chance they get, they see a problem. And the sad part is that Ukoketo is quite quiet, right? And you can see Uguti in everything. Like, Ugai is trying so hard to make sure Uguti Utamara is like comfortable and accommodated. But and I think as well the other girl, the disrespectful 16-year-old, is also mad at the passing of the dad, because Uputake, when he reprimands her, he reminds him, you are not my dad. And Ukoketo was like, I never said I was your dad. I'm your elder. I'm telling you to do this. You should at least respect it. So the mom spoiled them so much that they do not even see when they are being disrespectful. But what hurt me the most is when I heard Ukoketo said, even my dad could have died because of this toxicity in the family. So it means the dad would tell him, angekho right, like but this is the situation that's happening at home. But I low-key believe him, because wow, this woman agana peace. Mama Kakoketo does not have peace. She does not, like, those words do not exist in her vocab, because every moment she gets, she is a destructive person. And unfortunately, she is raising destructive girls who will then grow up to be motivational speakers on TikTok and advise Batuka shit. Yo, we are in trouble. But yeah, I don't know. Are you watching Makoti? Are you the one? What do you think? But as of where I'm sitting right now, I guess heartful. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.